Event filters is how you block events from showing on your site based on certain criteria that you can set. And I've already logged into my web admin account. I'm going to choose the WCP tab. Once I'm here, I'm going to make sure that the correct site is selected, and then I'm going to go under Configuration to Event Filters. And once we're here, there are no filters by default, so you'd have to select to add one whenever you'd like to create a new filter. And then you get the options to edit it below. You can either exclude or include events, though you'll most likely be using this just to exclude events, as most events are included by default. And then you can choose from the following criteria, and you can check one or all of these. And if you check more than one, it would have to apply to both things for it to exclude the event. So the first one is when the event name contains a keyword or does not contain a keyword. So if we put in Red Sox here, we can choose to hide all of the Red Sox games, or we can choose to show only Red Sox games. The next filter lets you control what events show based on their location. For instance, if we wanted to limit our site to only US events, you can choose outside of the United States, or you can limit it by state as well and city. So if we choose Danbury, Connecticut, it will exclude all of the events located there. The next one is for a venue specific filter, so you can control any venue listings if you'd like to not show any of these events at the 103 Ultra Lounge. Then you can include this filter here, or you can choose to show only events at that location on your site. The event category can be as specific as you'd like, so you can either choose just the parent category, which is the most general one, or you can get more specific with the child and grandchild categories, though not all of them will have a grandchild. And then this will just limit all of the events shown in this category. And lastly, you can choose to limit events based on the number of days away. So if I didn't want to sell any tickets for events today, I could include this filter so that no events within a business day or any day, as this also applies on the weekends, will show. Now if I wanted to create one that applied to a couple of things, I can do event name contains Red Sox and say I only want to show home games. So if the event contains Red Sox and the venue is not Fenway Park, then these two criteria will still show Red Sox games, but it will only show games at Fenway Park. And then if we've got the criteria we like and save, you'll see that the filter is now permanently in there, and then we can edit it by clicking, and we can also remove it. And then once you add these to your site, they should apply to the site within 10 minutes.